Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use two SY-418s to set up master-slave cascade. First, we need a wiring that includes two controllers. Open map 4. Width and height are arbitrary. Select two hardware SY-418s. Select the chip and channel order. We do quick wiring. Select port 1 and press K. Set the wiring size and order. Copy. Quick paste. Save. Add effect. Output SD card file. Copy the card. Here we can select the second controller. After copying the card, insert the SD card into the card slot and turn on the controller. We set the machine as a slave on controller 2. We can see that the lights are controlled normally. Switch the effect on the host. Everything is normal. The above is all about using SY-418 to cascade the master and slave. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.